working electricity. There's way more to it. It's not as easy as it looks.
Gateway Community College ofrece la oportunidad a jóvenes y personas adultas que quieran aprender el trade de la electricidad para trabajar en casas nuevas, casas en reconstrucción de casas, arreglar cosas eléctricas en su hogar, ayudar a sus familias.
You can find a job easily in construction since there's a lot going on. Connections with different companies, there's good opportunities and good benefits.
Nosotros tenemos la invitación para muchas compañías que trabajan en la industria que vienen a visitarnos y nos hacen saber cuáles son las prioridades que ellos buscan en una persona nueva que van a contratar para realizar el trabajo de electricidad.
Every block I see multiple buildings being built, homes, commercial buildings. We have people coming through, advisors, people who work in the field here currently. They need people. Like Phoenix is growing. That's it. We got a hone our craft, practice, and there's work out there. So it's very encouraging. If anyone wants to, aspire for some kind of growth and a kind of work and a career, this is a good program.